Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the media creation tool error 0x80072F8F space 0x20000 here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is you need to select your media creation tool. Once you have selected it, please do a right click. Okay, and then scroll down and go with properties. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see the properties of the media creation tool, where here you need to proceed on general, and under that you would be able to see an option called unblock here. Now here's the catch. You need to make sure that this box is unchecked, meaning it is not marked. If yes, in your case, just have to click on it to unmark this box. Okay, and then click on apply and then okay. Once you're done, you need to proceed on opening your any of the browser that you have. It could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Brave browser, or whatever browser that is available in your computer. And then you need to paste this link. Don't worry because I'll be including this at the description box below. There you can also click on it and then you can also access it under the description box below. Okay, don't worry for that. Once you have the click on it, you would be able to download a certain file, which is this. Just have to do a right click here once this being downloaded and then click on open. Okay, now it is preparing to install. Okay, just have to click on I agree to the license terms and then click on next. Okay, once you have the click on it, you would be able to install this Microsoft software license terms. Once you're done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.